Welcome to ElementLumber.com. So how does everyone else maintain the gorgeous color of their exotic hardwood deck? Which product do I use? How do I do it? Believe it or not, keeping the color is easier than you think. At Element Lumber, we believe Messmer's UV Plus hardwood deck finish is the product that you've been looking for. This low VOC linseed oil-based finish is specially formulated for exotic hardwoods to provide your deck with superior protection from UV rays. Not only does it provide you with a beautiful finish, it will also enhance the exotic hardwood's natural water-repellent qualities and reduce the chances of warping or cracking. If you're installing a new hardwood deck, apply a coat even if in the long run you desire a deck with a natural gray patina, as this will aid in the acclimatization process. If you want to keep the natural color, apply Messmer's UV Plus every 1 to 2 years or as needed per your local climate. So how do I do it? To oil your deck requires just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Clean the deck surface of all debris and let the deck dry. Make sure that no rain is expected within 48 hours. Step 2. Apply 1 coat of oil following the directions on the label. Using a brush or roller, apply the oil working with the grain. You will need roughly 1 gallon for every 250 square feet of wood surface. Step 3. After about 30 minutes, wipe off any excess product puddled or pooled on the surface of the deck. If excess product is not removed, sticky, shiny spots will remain on the surface. Now for an important note on the cleanup. Do not leave rags balled up as they can spontaneously combust. Rags, brushes, rollers, steel wool, or waste soaked with the excess can catch fire if improperly discarded. Immediately after each use, place waste materials in a sealed, water-filled metal container. Dispose of waste material in empty cans or unused portion in accordance with local, state, and federal regulations. If you waited too long after installation to apply Messmer's UV Plus and the wood has started to fade to gray, or if it's been years and you decide you want the natural hues again, the color can still be brought back. All you need to do is sand down the surface of the decking, apply the oil, and watch while it works its magic to bring out the gorgeous colors. Messmer's UV Plus is the hardwood deck finish product that you've been looking for to not only keep the organic hues of the natural wood from fading, but will also extend the life of your deck, aligning your backyard reality with a vision that originally inspired you. For the design elements you desire, Element Lumber is your source. Call or email us with any questions you may have and we will be happy to assist you. Element Lumber, bringing the lumberyard to you.